Hello, good day everyone. Welcome again to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how to get a dollar account in Nigeria without going to bank. It's a little bit frustrating in Nigeria today that you have to go through a long process before you can get naira dollar account in Nigeria. You have to be filling form, filling all those things and that. Go and buy physical dollar before you can get dollar card in Nigeria today. Now this is Aboki IFES. You can see the price of dollar today. Today we have dollar is almost 1,300 today. Dollar is almost 1,300 naira today, which means our 1 naira, our one just a single dollar is 1,300, and we don't know what it will cost tomorrow. You don't know what it will cost tomorrow. So you used to save your money in dollar account and you need a dollar account. Today let me show you. Make sure you subscribe to this video so that you get the full details of how you can get a successful dollar account. So I'm going to be talking about a company today that will give you dollar card. They will still give you dollar account. So let's dive into the story. I will go to my Google browser and show us the company. So I've been working with cheaper cars. I've been using cheaper cars for many years, and cheaper cars has been an interesting company that I've been working with. So this is one of the company that will give you dollar card. So we can see their business here. You can see their products, the product they offer here. So this you can set and receive cash within in a few tap. They will give you card. They will give you digital card. They will give you digital card like USD card. You can use it on your Instagram, you can use it on your Facebook to pay your card. You can use it on AliExpress and other platform to pay beyond Nigeria or beyond any country you are charging from. You can use it to invest on your cryptocurrency. Now what we are talking about today is about how to get the dollar account. Now how did you get it? You have to download their app. So now you can see their activities there, or you can still explore more of the site. So they give dollar card. You can see them, you can check their video, you can follow them on YouTube channel. You can see they're a reliable company, they have grown beyond Africa. So you can see it like that. Now you need to click on this place without Google Play. If you are using iPhone, use Apple Store, then you download, or you can scan the code and download their app. So once you download the app, you follow the process. You register with your phone number. They will send a code to your phone number. So you verify your phone number, you put in all your details. You put in all your details. For you to get verified, to get card, to get dollar card, you need to use 5,000 naira to get USD account. But if you want to get dollar card, maybe you want to be able to buy something online, you deposit 3,000 naira to get that one on their platform. So today this is cheaper cash. Anytime you are watching, once you watch, make sure you click on, I will drop a link directly on how to register, directly how to get the link to register. You can use my link to register on the description of this video. I will drop it. Then the second one I also work with is Gray. Let's check Gray. The second company I've also worked with is Gray. Let's check Gray. Let's check Gray. So I have account with Gray. I have account with this company too. I have account with the two of them. So this is Gray. Gray banking service for digital nomad. So the same thing also applicable to Gray. You have to download their app, either Google Play or Play Store. They also work the same way. They have all other companies that you can get dollar account from them, but these are the two companies that me have been tested out. You can see you get foreign accounts, get a free dollar, pounds, euro and more virtual account to receive payment, money transfer. You can see their products, send money online from Africa to UK and other European country with ACE, currency exchange, virtual card. So this is their products. You can see it now. You can get started for free. You can log in. Another thing that is special about this Gray is that you can access it on the laptop, on your computer, but cheaper. You need to download the app before you can access it. So this one you can easily log in. I think I have an account with them. Let me log in if I still remember my login details so that we can see what I'm talking about. Oh, say I should refresh it. What is going on? What is going on with their page now? Anyway, it's not going, but maybe they are updating their server. I don't know what is really wrong, but that is how you will register. Once you register, you log in and you get access to their dashboard. They will give you US account, they will give you Europe account. You also apply for dollar card with their charges. So this is the two card I will recommend, and I will drop the link on how to get registered on these two particular accounts on the video description, so you don't need to struggle with dollar. Today you can easily convert your naira to dollar on your own by yourself in this particular account. Even on green, you can convert your naira to dollar when you get the account. So if you have any challenge on registering cheaper account or green account, make sure you drop comment on the comment section of this video, and make sure you share the video to your friends, to your colleagues that may need dollar account, that may want to have dollar card or use the dollar accounts and get it easily on these two particular app that I'm revealing to you today. So these are the two apps that I recommend for today. Make sure you save it, try it out, and give me feedback on the comment section.